What's up, everybody? Last video of the van was the best part so far, which was dropping it. We took it for a couple drives now, and oh my god, it's like a fucking race van. Like, this is the kind of, it handles like the shit you'd see in Germany when they're racing transport vans and stuff, like, which is epic. But today, which is literally the next day after the suspension, we have gutted the interior, like all the way down to the carpet. The dash will be coming out, door panels will be coming off, because everything is getting painted black. So we're gonna get everything out of there. Olive has got the carpet out and has sprayed the crap out of it because it is disgusting. And next is the dash. Yeah, so this one will be cleaning up the interior of the van, making it look a lot nicer. The blue is cool, but black interior is way nicer.
Especially with the new color scheme.
Yeah, yeah, it'll go way better with it. Okay, so we hit this with some spray 9 and then pressure wash the crap out of it. This is after 2 pressure washing. There's still some sun fading and stuff, but it's not dark gray or brown anymore, so that's good. It's getting there. Then Olive is getting ready to paint the seat bases, which are somewhere now, but on the desk. But everything's out of the van except for the dash, which is almost out. Yeah, so we're painting the seat bases black, and then she's got a whole pile of the interior parts that she wants to paint black.
Except that's getting painted.
Except that's getting painted. Or
did you already tell everybody what color we're painting this?
I did now. I can just edit it out.
Fuck.
It's getting painted.
This is what I have to deal with. It's getting painted.
It's getting painted.
Yeah, not the same color as the interior or the exterior.
And we got new tie rod ends for it because one of them's bad, so we're just gonna do both. And we're gonna get to pulling the AC out of it because it doesn't work.
Well,
sort of.
it's dying and we can't replace it.
Yeah, it runs R12. There's no point in keeping it, and this doesn't need AC anyway because,
well, we do need AC where we're going, but it's better if we don't.
yeah. Yeah. So anyway, AC is going to come out of it. We'll just be pulling the condenser and the lines and everything. Probably not the compressor right now. Yeah, so just a whole bunch of removing stuff going on and cleaning and painting. So we'll just time lapse some stuff and pick up later on. Alright, so not really sure where I stopped filming, but ended up having to lift the bus up and take the pan off because I couldn't get the line for the AC compressor off, but then it also helped just moving things around. So lines are off there, the receiver dryer is off, all the lines are out. Anything that's left is AC compressor. I'm leaving that for now because I'm gonna have to figure out the belt routing for that and get a smaller belt, so that'll stay for now. Just kind of looking up stuff. The seat bases are getting, or this one's getting its first coat, and Olive is outside spraying the belly fan off because it was just filled with tranny fluid. Oh yeah, also going to try and figure out where exactly the transmission is leaking from and see if we can get that sorted out, because we are planning on swapping to a manual, or swapping over to a manual, but right now just trying to keep the automatic alive. So that's where we're at right now, and we'll pop back in once something's going on. So I'm not really sure where we're last left off filming, but as you can see, the whole interior is out, dash is out. Gonna address the heater box issue because the blend door and the divider for the rest of the vents is all worn out, the foam's all worn off, and all the piping wasn't really even connected properly, so that's probably why we didn't have very good heat while we were driving across the country, which would have been really nice. But yeah, so dash is out. I'm gonna do that, pull all that crap out, because we're gonna pull the evaporator out as well, because we don't need that shit anymore. And Olive is getting ready to spray the dash with the Dupicolor, not sponsored obviously, but Dupicolor vinyl and fabric paint. So it'll be a nice matte black to go back in there, so it's gonna look pretty cool. So yeah, I'm gonna film something, or we'll be back when something's done. Well, Olive just got the dash first coat sprayed up, and
It's gonna need in here again.
even still,
Yeah.
it looks so good. So good. I mean, shit. If you want to spray paint your dash, if you have a blue one or a different color, what do you say?
Or just need a refresh.
Yeah, this stuff works really well.
See how it lasts in the sun.
Looks like it's brand new. Damn. There was also a bit of a paint issue for the first little bit, but it was dripping everywhere. But it seems to be working now, and yeah, looks really good. Okay, so I don't even know when the last time where we left off with this one. Who knows? But the front bumper is off and being primed, and I don't remember if that was happening before. It was being sanded probably? Yeah, I don't remember. It's been probably a week or so since we filmed, maybe more. HVAC box is out of the van. Evaporator has been pulled out. I am doing a bit of a fix to the blend door and to the flap. I just use cardboard boxes and then zip tie them on because it works, and the foam tape sucks. Olive has just finished, well, she said she might do one more coat, but she did another coat on the dash, and it looks absolutely insane. Like, literally looks like it came factory black. Way better than the faded blue. What else? Don't remember. We have the thermostat out right now because we're replacing that. We're just waiting on a new housing. We do have a park neutral switch to fix the leak on the automatic. However, something has come up and we may not be having an automatic van anymore. Hopefully, maybe we'll film that tomorrow, or a little adventure to go see. But anyway, so we don't know. We have the switch to fix the leak, or we have something else to fix the automatic portion of it, and something else. Anyway, so that's where we're at with this. I've been plugging away on the cabbie, but that's a different video for another time. So yeah, that's everything that's caught up right now. Olive's taking more stuff apart and gonna spray it black with the vinyl paint. So yeah, the van's coming along, and who knows, there may be a whole lot more coming for it in the next little bit. But yeah, we'll just keep plugging away at this stuff and then catch up wherever we end up. Alright, so in all this zip tie mess, that is the blend door all done, and the front vents. Now it doesn't look pretty, but it works. The original is foam, so I have done this before. It works really well and it holds up really good. So we'll leave it in for now. And now we'll have heat. Finally. Not that it matters in the summer, but at least the van will have heat when we need it now. So I'm gonna put that and that back together, or put the heater core back into there, and then put that back into there, and then that'll go back in there. Alright, heater box all back together. Olive wiped it down. It says no one's got a cleaner heater box than she does.
No one's got a cleaner T4. Inside and out.
So that back in home.
And then that. Oh no.
Not yet. Soon.
Ah.
Alright, so the air shroud for the blower motor is in. 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3. That's where the AC lines came out. We just plugged these off. Those two, and then there's one back down in there, but that's all back together. Heater core hoses are on. And the box is back in. Just have to put a couple of the vacuum lines back together, but probably just leave that for now because we aren't putting the dash back in quite yet. But yeah, still lots to go, but I think just gonna call it end here because I don't know where we are, but it doesn't really matter. I'll just continue on with another video next time. But yeah, so that'll be it. More stuff done for the van and lots more to come. So on that note, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.